Selenity Toto made it, it was hard working and studying, and yet passed the most prestigious kind of board exams. It's no big deal. Toto is Gonzalo Guillen III. Kita trivia ko sa kutsulan niya rin, ha? Ayun, ayun po. Um, the first Gonzalo Guillen is a magna cum laude graduate of UP, first few graduates of the University of the Philippines, magna cum laude. He topped the board, he's number one, and subsequently he built the Sugar Center of Elizabeth. He was eventually given the first professional mechanical engineer license for the country. There was no one else. So, no big deal. Oh, he is a Gillian. His dad is a lawyer, graduate of Ateneo. He almost made it to the top 10. But not enough. Not enough to make it. But he is also the first Filipino graduate of National New York University postgraduate. And Toto, no big deal, passing the board. Ano na siya? Information of how his family is. Legacy. Um, when I took the board, my dad said, Gillian ka. So, trademark mga Gillian, pamantig na. Wala siya Gillian nga mga... Okay. Kutsa no? Toto, his cousins would call him. Toto siya. Lagi may 5 boys. His favorite cousins are my 5 boys when he was growing up. You see, he is alone. His dad is the manager of the Sugar Center in Negros, and his mom is out there out of the country. So, Toto was always left alone. Manang niya is older than me, several years. So, always lonely boy ni siya. And I am so happy that he met this girl, oh, Maldita. Look at this. Going to all this trouble to show us how he cherishes Toto. Then, thank you. Thank you for loving my other son. He's a lonely boy, growing up alone. His dad away, his mom away, all alone in the house with the maids. So, kaloy siya, no? Now he reveals himself. Yun mo, ha? Ang kakanta, mo kung banda. Abi mo, sagad, no? But I see their posts. I am sad. Always longing for one another, talking of how they miss each other. And so, guys, level up. Now, Toto can afford you all the luxuries, probably. Work harder. Afford this ng maldita, mga girlfriend. I mean, very restadora. I ask these guys, from now on, no more loneliness. No more living alone. No longing, wishing for the time when you will be together again. So, as a surrogate mommy ako sini, mga pictures nila sa gagmay sa ara na sa permi. And as this guy, from now on, may team song na sila. Take note. 10. Toto will strive harder now that he is now more than capable to support your whims. Bato man ay hanto. He reminds me so much of my brother Dong. Uh, next, my younger brother next to me. We're very close. And he looks like, from up here, he's like my brother. Down here, looks like his mom. Okay. Then, for a serious advice, God wants us to have the fullness of life. We glorify our Father in heaven if we are truly happy. The life that He gave us will be put in our aura, in our life, in our daily life. Now concentrate on your family. So from now on, you will have a routine song. Then again, thank you guys for being here. And you and Toto, level up. Level up.